Okay, today we're talking about polishing a natural stone tile from a flat, rough, dull finish to a smooth, glossy, shiny finish. So here is the different polishing discs we'll be using in the video. You can see they come in different grits. Here's the actual part number of the kit that I bought. It comes with the arbor, with the Velcro pad that the discs attach to, and this simply attaches to your 4-inch grinder. Here's the rough natural stone tile in question that we need to polish out so it's nice and smooth and glossy. And here's the attachment on my electric grinder. Okay, so let's get started. Always wear PPE, a respirator, face shield, safety goggles. And I found keeping it wet with water works best to keep the dust down and to keep everything nice and cool. And it rinses away the dust as you're going along. And I'm simply starting with the more aggressive grit, the more coarse grit, and then working my way to the finer grit and feeling the tile as I go along to check my progress. You can buy these kits online. Amazon, I believe, is where I bought this kit. They're not that expensive. And you want to try to keep your grinder flat, because if you angle your grinder too much, you're going to start to gouge or dig into your natural stone tile, and you do not want to do that. Okay, here's a before and after view of the same type of tile. I have to do this other tile as well. Just wanted to show you what the finished product looks like. Good luck with your project.
Wow.
Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.